In a quiet forest, the tortoise stood still. The sun was setting. All eyes were on him. The hare laughed loudly. "You? Race me?" The other animals chuckled behind him. The tortoise nodded. Yes. That was all he said. The race began. The hare exploded forward. The tortoise took one steady step. The crowd cheered. The hare was already far ahead. The tortoise moved slowly, his eyes focused, his breath steady. The hare stopped under a tree. "I've already won," he smiled. Then he closed his eyes. The tortoise walked through silence. No one followed him. No one clapped. He remembered when others said he was too slow. But he never stopped walking. Not once. The hare dreamed of winning. He saw himself holding a trophy. The tortoise climbed a hill. Step by step. His legs were tired. The wind picked up. Clouds darkened. But the tortoise did not stop. Morning came. The finish line was ahead. A few animals looked surprised. The hare opened his eyes. "What time is it?" He jumped up in panic. He ran fast. Trees blurred around him. But something felt different. The tortoise was almost there. Each step was slow, but sure. The hare came into view. But he was too late. No one said a word. Then, one clap. Then another. Soon, everyone clapped. The hare lowered his head. "You won." The tortoise looked at him calmly. The tortoise said, "I just never stopped. Slow and steady wins the race." English Listening Stories. Subscribe for more stories to improve your English every day.